Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. May the 4th be with you. Get it? Star Wars. It's Star Wars Day, like may the Force be with you. So I'm a big Star Wars fan and I'm a dork, sorry. Today I'm going to be doing a get ready with me kind of tutorial based on Star Wars. That being said, let's get into it and let's see how it comes out. I'm going to start off by priming my face. Now I'm going to go ahead and prime my eyelids. I'm going to go ahead and do my eyebrows off camera and I'll be right back. And now I'm going to get into the eyes. So I'm going to get my Fenty Beauty palette. Back and forth. So I'm going in with trying to just give it a little bit of color, and I am trying to make it, so this is going to be my transition shade, so that's why I'm bringing it up all the way to my eyebrow. In the ColourPop Disney, the Tim Burton's The Nightmare Before Christmas palette. And I'm going to be using this color, and it is called Halloween Town. I like this color a lot because it kind of reminds me of a galaxy because of all the glitter. I'm like, all the glitter all up on the camera. All the glitter! Sorry. I'm going to get another brush and I'm going to go in smoothing those harsh lines. Like blending it. Go ahead and use that same eyeshadow and put some in the middle again. I'm going to go ahead and get the eyeliners, the liquid eyeliners, and these are the Hyundai Eon eyeliners. I had done a review on them. I'm going to use these. And add some glitter, and of course these are from the review again. Oh, this blue looks pretty. Eyeliner, and I'm going to be using the LA Colors eyeliner. I'm going to be using the Voluminous Million Lashes. My Morphe white eyeliner. Now I'm going to be getting a brush Don't forget to blend into your neck. I'll be using the LA Colors contour stick. I'm going to use my blush now, the ColourPop Hello Kitty. A little bit of highlight. I'm going to be using the e.l.f. lip liner first. I'm going in with the Bite lipstick. And since this is a galaxy look, I'm going to be going in with the ColourPop Disney Bambi. Okay guys, what do you think? This is the final product, final look. Something fun, something out of my ordinary that I really wanted to do. Kind of mimicking the sabers, as in the blue and the red. The light and the dark side, kind of, sort of. You know what I'm talking about if you know about Star Wars. Which side would you choose? So guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I know I had lots of fun doing it because I got out of my comfort zone again and I wanted to try something different. I hope you guys enjoyed this little mini get ready with me / tutorial inspired by Star Wars. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't. If you have, thank you so much. I hope you guys have a good evening, morning, night, wherever you're at. Until next time, may the 4th be with you. May the 4th be with you. Okay, bye.